Rev up your ride with the ultimate car gadget guide. Welcome to our channel, where we unveil the top 15 car gadgets you won't want to miss to elevate your driving experience. We're here to enrich your car and your journey. Get ready to explore the world of automotive innovation with us. Subscribe now and let's transform your driving adventures. This Multimeter undercarriage cleaner is a groundbreaking product priced at $17,068, utilizing patented technology and standing at only 127 mm in height. It's designed to extend the lifespan of your vehicles and fleets, enhancing their safety for service and maintenance. The mat, constructed entirely of stainless steel, can be quickly assembled with basic tools in minutes and either anchored or mobile. It seamlessly adapts to pressure washer pump systems ranging from 22 L-min to 76 L-min, compatible with both hot and cold water systems and chemicals with a pH range of 3-12. Tell me in the comments if it's worth buying and if its price is worth its usefulness. The car door anti-kick pad Crosstrek is a stylish and functional accessory. Made from carbon fiber style leather, it serves as a protective cover for your door sill, guarding against scratches and scuffs caused by shoes. This edge guard also adds a touch of interior decoration, enhancing the look of your vehicle. Easy to install, it provides a durable and attractive solution to keep your car looking new. Priced at $32.99, it offers an affordable way to protect and personalize your car. Flysal Garage is a durable and waterproof containment mat designed to protect your garage floor from dirt, snow, rain, and mud. Its non-slip surface ensures safety when parking heavy vehicles. The mat's size provides ample coverage, and its sturdy construction can withstand the weight of large vehicles. The mat is easy to clean and maintain, making it a convenient choice for busy car owners. At just $104.99, the Flysal Garage mat offers excellent value for money, providing long-lasting protection for your garage floor and ensuring a clean and safe environment for your vehicles. ZUS is smart and features a unique design. The elegant shine lighting system offers better visibility in the dark. More importantly, ZUS is the only smart car charger that helps you locate your car. If you can't find your car, open the ZUS app and follow the red arrow to locate it. It is powered by a high-performance smart chip that charges all devices quickly and conveniently. Compared to traditional car chargers, ZUS can charge 2 devices simultaneously at double the speed. Another reason why ZUS is unique is its affordable cost of $40. Double the speed, double the intelligence. Never lose your car again. Teslong dual-lens endoscopic camera articulated borescope offers a 2-way articulated industrial inspection camera with LED light for just $149.99. This flexible fiber optic mechanical snake cam is designed for automotive use and provides clear, detailed images for inspections. With a length of 5 feet, it offers versatility and ease of use in various situations, making it a valuable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Swagman upright roof mount bike rack is a convenient and secure solution for transporting your bike. Its upright design saves space and allows for easy loading and unloading. The rack is built with durability in mind, ensuring your bike stays safe during travel. The sleek black finish adds a stylish touch to your vehicle. Priced at $63.69, it offers an affordable yet reliable option for bike enthusiasts. Whether you're heading to the trails or embarking on a road trip, this bike rack is a practical choice for transporting your bike. The B-Side ACM91 is a versatile clamp meter for both DC and AC measurements. With its true RMS capability and auto-ranging feature, it offers accurate readings of up to 6,000 counts. The Multimeter includes functions for live check, V-alert, temperature, capacitance, and frequency testing. Its convenient back clip allows for easy carrying and storage. Priced at $49.99, it provides great value for its features and performance. Enhance your driving safety with these adjustable blind spot mirrors for cars. Designed to provide a wider view of your surroundings, these mirrors are perfect for trucks and SUVs. The double glass design ensures a clear view, helping you avoid blind spots and drive with confidence. Easy to install, these mirrors are a universal fit for most vehicles. Priced at $14.99, they offer an affordable way to improve your driving visibility and safety. Stay aware of your surroundings on the road with these reliable blind spot mirrors. The Tesla Backseat Protector is designed to keep your car seats safe from stains, scratches, and pet damage. This waterproof cover fits perfectly in Tesla Model Y 3 SX vehicles, providing protection for both kids and pets. The set includes 2 pieces, ensuring full coverage for your back seats. Priced at $41.99, these protectors offer a cost-effective solution to keep your Tesla's interior looking clean and new. Enhance your automotive maintenance and improvement tasks with the AIRCAT Pneumatic Tools 1056XL 1/2-inch NitroCat Composite Compact Impact Wrench. This lightweight yet powerful tool is designed to deliver maximum torque without putting excessive strain on your arm. With its compact size, it easily fits into tight spaces, making it ideal for working on cars. The NitroCat technology ensures smooth and efficient performance, while the composite construction keeps the wrench durable and long-lasting. For a price of $138, this impact wrench offers excellent value for money, making it a must-have tool for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Air Die Grinder is a powerful tool designed for grinding, polishing, deburring, and rust removal. With a 1/4 inches right-angle design and a high-speed motor capable of 20,000 revolutions per minute, it offers efficient performance for various tasks. The grinder features lightweight construction and ball-bearing construction for durability and smooth operation. It comes with 24 PCs discs for added versatility. Priced at $39.99, it's a valuable addition to any toolbox. The rear bumper guard for Tesla Model Y accessories. 2021 to 2024 is a stylish and practical addition to your vehicle. Made from durable ABS material, this trunk door sill protector features a sleek 3D carbon fiber design that enhances the look of your Tesla while providing added protection against scratches and dings. Easy to install, this bumper guard is custom fit for the Model Y and is priced at $32.99, making it a great value for enhancing both the appearance and functionality of your Tesla. The custom car rear seat cushion for Tesla Model Y is a luxurious and practical addition to your vehicle. Made from premium flannel fabric, this car seat cover is soft, comfortable, and non-slip, ensuring a pleasant driving experience for you and your passengers. The custom-fit design perfectly fits your Tesla Model Y's rear seats, protecting against spills, stains, and wear. Priced at $38.99, this seat cushion is a great investment in comfort and style for your Tesla. The ROVE R3 dashcam is your ultimate car companion, featuring front and rear cameras with cabin views. Its 3 IPS touchscreen allows for easy navigation and viewing. This 3-channel dashcam records in stunning 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution, ensuring clarity in every detail. With IR night vision, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and a supercapacitor, it's packed with advanced features. Plus, it supports up to 512 GB max storage. Get yours now at 50% off for just $198.99 and enhance your driving experience with peace of mind. JOYTUTUS 3-in-1 car steering wheel. Eating tray. This multifunctional tray transforms your car into a mobile office, dining area, or entertainment space. It's perfect for working, eating, or keeping kids entertained on long journeys. The tray easily attaches to the steering wheel, back seat, or anywhere in the car, providing a stable surface for laptops, food, or activities. Stay organized and productive on the go with this versatile car accessory, priced at just $29.99. Thank you for tuning into this review. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in more content about car gadgets, make sure to check out our other videos on the left and right. We have a variety of reviews and guides that will help you discover the best gadgets for your car. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy exploring!